In this video, we shortlisted 3 heart-healthy effective juices which will lower bad cholesterol and take care of our heart health. For your information, the juices we are focusing on today are homemade and definitely not the sugar-packed commercial ones. Let's start making these amazing juices. Number 1. Pineapple juice. Pineapple juice lowers hypertension due to appropriate presence of potassium and a smaller amount of sodium. The proportion of potassium and sodium is the best way to fight high blood pressure. According to recent research, a cup of pineapple juice contains about 1 milligram of sodium and 195 milligrams of potassium. Actually, people suffering from hypertension are prescribed to take pineapple juice regularly. Here is the recipe for 1 glass or serving of pineapple juice. So, you just need half cup of water, 1 medium-sized ripe pineapple, a pinch of ground black pepper, pinch of table salt, optional, 2 to 3 ice cubes, 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar or to taste, optional. At first, take 1/2 cup of water into a blender. Then, cut the medium-sized pineapple into small pieces and put these into the blender. Add a pinch of black pepper. You can, but adding both salt and sugar is optional, so use it or leave it, it's your choice. But it's better to leave these ingredients behind. Finally, blend this perfectly and serve with 2/3 ice cube. You can take these juices after breakfast or in the evening. Number 2. Celery juice. According to research, celery helps lower high blood pressure by acting as a smooth muscle relaxant, improving the flow of calcium and potassium in cells, allowing blood vessels to expand and contract with greater ease. Other research did find that celery was mentioned to have cardioprotective effects, including antioxidation, anti-inflammation, and the reduction of platelets that may cause a heart attack or stroke. Celery juice contains the compound 3N-butyl phthalate, or phthalate, which contributes to reduced bad cholesterol LDL in our bloodstream. It is suggested that you juice at least 2 to 4 stalks daily. Juicing 2 stalks of celery per day would also achieve the same results. Or you can make celery juices adding other ingredients. Here is the recipe for 1 glass or serving of celery juice. For 1 glass or serving, you just need 2 celery stalks, 1 medium cucumber, 1½ small to medium pears, 3 kale, Tuscan cabbage leaves. At first, wash all the ingredients. Then, cut all of these ingredients into pieces and put everything into a juicer. Finally, juice together and serve. For your information, to lower mild cases of high blood pressure, one would eat about 4 ounces of celery, about a cup of chopped celery, daily. You will start seeing results within a week or 2. Number 3. Beetroot juice. The beetroot juice has been gaining popularity as a new superfood in the world. It is a little sweet, but is packed with inorganic nitrates. It causes the arteries to relax and open, resulting in a lowered blood pressure. It is said that a glass of beetroot juice a day is enough to significantly reduce blood pressure in patients with high blood pressure. According to research sources, drinking 250 milliliters beetroot juice a day can lower blood pressure by 7.7 over 5.2 millimeters of mercury, which is better than some antihypertensive drugs. Here's the recipe for 1 glass or serving of beetroot juice. So, you just need 2 oranges, 1 large beet, 2 celery stalks, 1/4 small red cabbage, 1 inch 2.5 centimeters piece of fresh ginger. Instructions: wash all produce well, peel oranges and beets. Add all ingredients through juicer and enjoy. You can keep it in the fridge for a day or so, but it will taste best when fresh. You can take this drink anytime in the day. So, you must try these drinks on a daily basis, and of course, start with 1 drink at a time. Don't worry about when to drink. You can drink it anytime, anywhere. If you have other health conditions, please consult with your nearest doctor before taking these juices. Don't forget to check your pressure level weekly and take juices according to the result. I hope you guys found this video useful. So, that's all for now.